Hello there, and how are you doing today? All right, I'm about to take you through a short video that will teach you how to create certificates using Canva. All right, first of all, you go to canva.com and you just go to canva.com. If you're using your laptop or your desktop, it's easier to do it this way. All right, and if you're new, you can sign up with them, it's free. And if you're not new, you can just go into the application and you see this. All right, so very quickly, I go to the template area and I click certificate. So I quickly get it, and it begins to show me different templates or certificates I can use for anything: trainings, boot camp, summer camp, participation, appreciation, awards, anything. You can just use it. All right, recognition and all that. You can just use it for anything you want to use it for. So these are all templates. All right, so we can just pick anyone and just get used. Let me just pick this. For school graduation, convocation, commencement, and all that, you can do this, and you can learn to do this very well and even render your services commercially. You don't necessarily have to print all the time. You can do e-certificates to send, and you can also do certificates that you can just do your normal stuff and go print it out in glossy papers or cards and all that. All right, so I've picked this template. So let's assume I'm a new designer, I don't even know what to do. It's also showing me more templates here, all right, that I can pick and can play with. All right, okay, there's another one here. So just anything you want to play with, you can just play with. Certificate of graduation, this, all right. So different one, but let's just stick with this one. All right, so without even changing a lot, I can even just get busy. Let's say go in here, I ungroup it so that I can deal with them individually. Bridgeton High School, I could put you say X, Y, Z, fashion, let's say training. All right, so just you can put anything you want to put. This diploma, let me say this certificate, so this certificate is given to, all right, let me just maybe change the name to Mary Topila. All right, whatever, you can put whatever name. For completing the requirement prescribed in the department, I can change whatever. For your participation and completion of the design, let's say of the design, your style workshop, for example. Maybe that's just the name, right? For your participation and completion of the design your wine workshop. Okay, so blah blah blah. School principal, let me just say lead facilitator, anything. It doesn't have to be two, it can be one. Let me say this is let me say CEO design your style academy. Okay, it could be CEO, it could be principal, whatever. So maybe this guy's name is Ben 10. Maybe this one is Yusuf. Get good. I'm just playing. You can even leave this looks like a seal of authenticity. You can click it, maybe make it a little bit more red. When you click this, you can adjust the color. Come up here, see. So maybe I want to make it like red. That look like a seal, or that's too red. I go to this color palette. Let me give him something like this. So you can play with whatever seal you want to go. Like that. So let me stop here, right here. Maybe just a seal of authenticity. All right. So with these, I already have this. So when it's printed, that it can be signed. If you have a digital signature, you can just import it. Let me show you how to import things in. Or maybe you have a logo you want to add to it and all that. Fine. You go right here, you see photos, you see uploads. Click on uploads. And these are my already uploaded thing. But if I want to add more to it, I can go to upload an image or video. I can easily get this from anywhere. Let me see, from my device. Get it. So I can go inside my device and look for whatever I'm looking for. Let me just go to my company. And anything. Let me just say this is my logo, for example. So you already know your logo, you know where it is. So this is just to import it into the Canva platform, all right? So once it's brought in, I click on it. I'm just doing an example. This, like just an example, all right? This is not my logo for this. So I can get it in and we'll get it. Maybe I want to put it up here. I can put it up here. I can reduce the size, or I can move everything down here. I can move everything maybe down. Oh, I'm moving the entire layout. So I can move this. If I don't want that, I press shift and remove that one. So I can bring everything down. So I can create space for my logo. Yeah, so sometime before you start, you may even do this before you start. So maybe that's your logo. You can have it there, you know, just to have it branded. It's simple. I can even play with the background. Maybe these, maybe my color is none of those. My color is blue. You see, I can play around. So depending on what color you're playing with, all right. So you can go here and maybe have more options in your palette, all right. So this doesn't look very difficult, but it's simple and it's good to go. So if you have a detailed signature, or maybe you want to print it with the signature, you can also do this. Maybe you sign it somewhere, you scan it in, you go to the same uploads. You understand? Upload from anywhere, wherever your signature is, you bring it in and bring it into the platform. I don't know whether I have any signatures on my system. I can't really tell whether I have any of that. It would have been easy to just show you. Okay, I don't think I have any of my signatures here. I don't think I'm trying to okay, I don't think. Okay, oh, let me check this. What this is? Oh, okay. So this looks like a signature. Okay, I just opened it. Let me copy it. Let's see if it will work. I can come here and paste it. Ctrl V. Did it work? Oh, it's working. All right. Yeah. So it worked. Okay, but of course you have to do your own better. Like that, you have to, remove your background with Photoshop or any of those background removal stuff. So let's just assume that was my signature. I can bring it in and just put it here. See, so with your digital signature, you can bring it in and and just put it there. But let's just get this out for now. So let's say you're done with it now. All right, then what you do, you go to download, click on download. You see PDF print is usually good because the quality is nice and resolution is high. You can also go to PNG if you want it just as a picture, to come as a picture. So anyhow you want, you can choose whatever format you want. All right, so let me use this, or if I want to print it as hard copy, I go to PDF print. All right, and I click download. So once I click download, it quickly prepares it for download, and boom, so it's finished downloading. So if I want to see what it looks like, okay, where's my downloaded picture? Okay, maybe it's trying to open. Okay, it's opening up here. So I go here, see, voila, my set is ready. All right, this is a very simple example, but you can always go back to Canva and go back and play around your certificate. You can use different templates and play around them, and see. All right, so different templates, different things, and just create your certificate. All right, hope you learned something. If you have more questions, you can put it in the comment section. We'll gladly answer you. But explore it. You can make a whole lot with this, ease your work, and even make money doing this for a lot of people. So there you have it, how to design certificate with Canva. You can do this also with your phone, and though it's usually easier with a laptop or a desktop. And have a wonderful learning, practicing, and adding value experience. All right, okay, see you in a bit.